up, you guys? Today I am sharing with you 10 summer dresses that are under $35. You don't have to spend a fortune for a really good dress. So along with sharing these 10 specific dresses that I truly love, I also am just sharing where I got them from. Hopefully giving you some ideas of stores you've never thought of or never heard of before. And I will also link everything down below in that description box. And if you're new, welcome. I love having you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead. Click that little red button. I love building my YouTube family and just having you guys with me. You know how much I love you. So let's get into these dresses. Target is poppin' with cute summer dresses right now. Target is like the first place I typically go when I'm looking for an affordable cute dress. They're just dependable. I always know they're gonna have something. And this season is no different. From their designer collection that they recently released to their other brands like A New Day or Universal Thread, they always have a ton of options. So I pulled a couple for you. This specific dress is the elbow sleeve eyelet dress, and it's $29.99. It's 100% cotton to keep you cool in the hotter temps. It has puff sleeves and this all over eyelet design, so it's just really seasonal. It comes in a couple other colors. I know that they have a lavender, but I love this white. It looks a lot more expensive than the $29 price tag. You can keep things easy going by pairing this dress with sneakers, and then you can take it up a notch for a night out like I've done here with heels. You could even add a leather jacket for those transitional seasons. I'm wearing a small, but it is pretty true to size, so maybe if you're in between sizes, you can size down. If you're not sure, just get your normal size and you're gonna be great. Once again, I will link everything down below along with the sizes that I chose, just so you have a little reference point to go off of. This second dress is from Old Navy, which is another place that I go to often when I want a really affordable, easy dress. Like, I just know that they're gonna have something in there that I'm gonna like. So I have culled through all of those and picked out my favorite one. This dress is the ruffled midi wrap dress. It actually retails for about $45, but Old Navy constantly has discounts, so I got it for $35. So be on the lookout for the promos out there. But I just love how flattering and flowy it is. It's very feminine and romantic, and it has that eye-catching print and the bright yellow. I can't tell you how many compliments I get when I wear this dress. It has been such a good pick. The wrap style will also define your waist, whether you actually have one or not. So it will flatter a number of body types. One tip when styling this dress is to pair it with neutral heels and other accessories. You want the dress to speak. It's loud, it's bold, let everything else just complement it. But I get so many compliments on it. It's just so cheery and happy. It's been such a good pick this season. Another place that I love to shop for affordable dresses is ASOS. You may say ASOS, I call it ASOS, to each their own, but it's a great place. If you're not familiar with this shop, it's all online, and you want to get really familiar with the filters. They have a really big inventory, and they have tall and petite and plus size and maternity, so there's a lot to choose from. So filter down. I typically choose sleeve length, length of the dress, maybe even the color, and then the price point, and it just culls it a lot from there. So I found this dress, which I am loving. It is the midi smock in smudge polka dot, and it's $31. It's a daytime dress made easy. I love that midi length and the round neck. It's lightweight and has this pretty florally print, and then that blue. That blue is what got me. Now I've dressed it up a little bit here with some clogs and pearl earrings, but it's just as easy to take it down a notch and add slides or white kicks. Walmart has some wonderful summer dresses right now for unbelievable prices. I am shocked every time I go in there, and this color really packs a punch. Now this is the flutter sleeve tier dress, and it's $13.88. Yes, you heard me correctly. I love the flutter sleeves and that tiered skirt. It's just light and easy. You can wear it casually with tennis shoes or sandals to the park or to run errands. It's just easy breezy. I've shared this Amazon dress before, and it is back because it is such a good one this season, and it's $30. It is flattering and sexy. It's versatile and easy. It also comes in 19 other colors and designs, but this dress is just gonna look good on a number of body types. I would really recommend it to anyone to at least just give it a try. Here I'm casually wearing it with sandals and a ponytail, but I've also dressed it up with heels and a wide brim hat. So you're gonna find a lot of versatility within it. The sixth dress is from ASOS. I told you I loved it. And this is just an easy summer dress to add to your collection. It's versatile enough to wear as a swimsuit cover up to the splash pad or out to lunch with your girlfriends. Now you can pair it with sneakers and a ball cap, or wedges and a wide brim straw hat like I'm doing here. It's normally $54, but it's on sale right now for 30 bucks, and it runs true to size. Like I said before, ASOS is really good at fitting a number of different body types, but they also have a maternity section. So this is a really great place to go if you are expecting. And this next dress is a maternity oversized t-shirt dress. If you're expecting, that's great. I am still wearing it as is, and it's wonderful. It doesn't have any of the ruchings on the side, so you can get away with that. I love the polka dots. It's just a good classic summer dress. I'm wearing a size 6. It's supposed to be oversized, as the name states, but I am assuming that they are accounting for a bump in their sizing. So if you're pregnant, get your normal size. That's great. If you're not, then I would maybe recommend sizing down. I'm gonna actually return this for a 4 just to cut down on some of that fabric, but the dress is $26 and it's just really great. I am back with another Target dress, which I am actually wearing right now. I think it's one of my favorites out of this whole bunch. And this is the puff short sleeve dress. It's $25. Now this dress is 100% cotton like the other one, and it is just chic and comfortable. You can pair it with your favorite sneakers for a sunny daytime look, or dress up your look with wedges and a bold necklace. Here I've added a headband, also from Target, and some mango earrings. But it is this color, it's the sleeves, it's just like the sleek silhouette. I love this dress. I've got 2 more dresses for you, and this one is from H&M. It is the V-neck dress. It's $24.99, but it's currently on sale for $9.99 right now. This is a pretty common silhouette for H&M, so it's always coming out in new colors or prints, but it's unlined, super lightweight, and it's great to be worn casually. That's the point of it. You can wear it with sneakers or some printed sandals. Here I've added a baseball cap, but I've also worn a wide-brimmed hat and taken this to the pool. The last dress is from ASOS, and this is their oversized midi dress. It's $25, and it is all about stylish comfort. It is not trying to be anything other than that. It provides the coverage to move around and play with your little ones. It is a bright, happy yellow for sunny days. I love the detail of the raglan sleeves, but keep it casual with tennis shoes or sandals. One note is to size down in this dress. I am wearing a small, and I would not go any bigger. All right, you guys, those are my 10 summer dresses that are under $35. They're cute, right? I would love to hear what your favorite one is down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and you can stick around for my next one.